Hello, I'm Simon from TimeStatement, and today I show you the first steps of our time performance tracking. First, I'll show you how to register easily. Click Try it for free and enter your email address. The TimeStatement team will send you a confirmation email. Now you can insert all your personal informations. You can enter your customer directly or later, so you're ready to go. Here is how you can capture your own company. At the top right, click Settings, then on the area Companies, and finally on New Company. Now you can add all important information from your company. And now you have already captured your company. It is so easy. Now, I'll show you how to capture the customers. You click on the client area in the upper right corner. Afterwards on New Client. Now you can get all the important information like the name of the company, the address, add the country and more information. And you have already completely captured a new customer. It can hardly be faster. TimeStatement is so easy to use. With just a few clicks to success.